is very smooth, very simple process. So you have to get their email ID, and using their email ID you are thinking to call your parents to visit you in the United Kingdom. Standard visitor visa. Like if so, you can apply for them or they can apply by their own. A sponsor letter. You have to give them an invitation letter. On Tier 2 visa, skilled worker visa, health and care worker visa. So there are three other things which are very 6 months, 1 year, 3 year or 5 year. You should show that this person I am inviting to United Kingdom, this person is related to me. What does it mean? Definitely they can reject your visa. This way you can relate yourself in the documents with your mother-in-law or the father-in-law. Updated the visa application to the priority visa application and through Emirates Airline, and she came here on 26th of August. Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Faraz Ahmed and this is very important video. Like if you are thinking to call your parents to visit you in the United Kingdom, you are going to invite them, either your mother, your father, your mother-in-law, your father-in-law. You can call anyone. If they are related to you in any way, you can call any of them to the United Kingdom. So let's talk about few important things regarding the parent visa. So please keep in mind, first of all, you have to apply for the visa, and this visa will be a visitor visa, standard visitor visa. Like if you have done PLEP 2 exam, you must be aware of visitor visa. Okay, so the important question is, either you are going to apply for your mother, your father, or your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, or your mother or your father will apply by themselves. So this is important question. So you can apply for them or they can apply by their own, but the important thing is that what you have to do, I will suggest, these days everyone is using smartphones, and definitely your father, your mother, your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, everyone must have some email account. So if they have some email account, what you have to do, so you have to get their email ID, and using their email ID, what you have to do, you have to apply for standard visitor visa for your parents, either your mother, your father, your mother-in-law or your father-in-law. So you have to apply by yourself using their email account. What does it mean? It's mean like if they are applying for their visa by their own, but you are applying. And the important thing is this, you have to give them a sponsor letter. You have to give them an invitation letter. So you can generate a letter. I will show you at the end of this video. You can title that letter as an invitation letter or the sponsor letter. Okay, so this is an important thing. You have to use their email to apply for the standard visitor visa for your parents. So there are three other things which are very important for this type of visa. The important thing is you must have some job in the United Kingdom. Like if you are working as a doctor, as a nurse, as a physiotherapist, as a healthcare professional. So like you are working here on Tier 2 visa, skilled worker visa, health and care worker visa, definitely you can call your dependents over here, or you can call your parents to visit you on visitor visa. So first thing is you are going to apply. Second thing is you should be here on these type of visas. So third thing, which is important, you must have enough finances in your account to support your parents who are going to visit you in future. What does it mean? It's mean you can apply for your parents visitor visa for 6 months, 1 year, 3 year or 5 year, but you have to show enough finances in your bank account to support them. Like if you are going to apply for the 1 year visa of your mother, so what you will do, you have to show enough expenses, like you can support your mother for a year. So if you don't have enough expenses in your bank account, you should apply for 6-month visa. So apart from the enough expenses, apart from the enough bank statement, what is the last thing which is very important? Like if you are living in 1-bedroom flat and you have your wife with you, you have a kid, and now you are going to invite your parents to United Kingdom. So what you will do? Definitely they can reject your visa. So the fourth important thing is that you should have a very good accommodation, at least 2-bed accommodation. If you don't have 2-bed accommodation, what other thing you can do? You can book some hotel, or you can book some other home or some other house for your parents. You can mention in the visit visa application like, yes, my parents are visiting me and they will be staying with me in my house because I have 2-bedroom flat, or they are going to stay in that hotel, or they are going to stay a new house which I am going to buy or I am going to rent. So please keep in mind, you have to attach bank statement, you have to attach your skilled worker visa, job title or job statement you can get from your hospital, or the other thing, you have to attach your agreement of the house as well. So these are the important things. Definitely in the future I am going to upload the video on the process how you can apply for the standard visitor visa of your parents. And the important thing I forget to mention is that you should show that this person I am inviting to United Kingdom, this person is related to me. What does it mean? It's mean you must have family registration certificate. Your mother and your father will be there. So if you're going to call your mother-in-law or father-in-law, so you must have family registration certificate of yourself with your wife. Then your wife should have family registration certificate with the parents. So in this way you can relate yourself in the documents with your mother-in-law or the father. So let me give you an example. Actually I applied for the visitor visa of my mother-in-law, and these days she is visiting us in the United Kingdom. So what I did, so I applied online application, I filled online application on 3rd of August, and we were trying to bring her here very quickly. So what I did my online application on 3rd of August, and after this when I was searching for the biometric dates, so I was getting the biometric dates in the next month, that means in the September. So but what I did then, I updated the visa application to the priority visa application, and when I did the priority visa application, I get the biometric appointment of the 7th of August. So I did my application on 3rd of August. I get the biometric appointment of the priority visitor visa on 7th of August. So after having the biometric appointment on 7th of August, we got decision within 5 working days. So it's mean we got decision on 13th of August. So after having the visa, after having the decision of the application, what I did then, I started searching for the flights. Flights were very expensive on these days, and fortunately then what I did, I was able to get a very good flight through Emirates airline, and she came here on 26th of August. So what does it mean? We started process on 3rd of August, we had biometric on 7th of August, decision was there on 13th of August, and my mother-in-law was here with us in the United Kingdom on 26th of August. So this is very smooth, very simple process. If you are going to apply your online application properly, you are going to attach the valid documents, definitely you can get the decision within days. Like if you are going to apply with the priority visa services, you can get decision in 5 working days. Otherwise you are going to get the decision maximum in 21 days. It's mean within 3 working weeks. So this was all about regarding the video. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. You can directly message me on the Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video.